Hi girls, good morning. Today is our second lecture for the subject of digital circuit and fundamental of microprocessor. Last lecture we have seen the number system, binary number system, decimal number system, hexadecimal number system, octal number system and conversion among them. Today's lecture we are going to see the data representation, binary arithmetics and binary codes. Now, how we will convert the decimal number into the binary number, we'll see. This is our decimal number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And this is the hexadecimal number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, E, F. The 15 of decimal is equals to the F of hexadecimal. Now this decimal and the hexadecimal is converted into the binary number. Now binary number notation has 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 5 as we are increasing from our left to right side. 2 to the power 0 it represents equals to 1. 2 to the power 1 it is 1, 2. 2 to the power 2 is 4 and 2 to the power 3 is 8. Suppose if it is a 1, 0, so all the bits are 0. If it is a 1, so now this value is 2 to the power 0 is 1. So the only 2 to the power 0 will 1, rest all are 0. So only 2 to the power 0 is high, rest all are low bits. So it's represent 1. If it is 2, only 2 to the power 1. 2 to the power 1 is 2. Only 2 to the power 1 is 1 and rest all are 0. Suppose if it is a 3, so 2 plus 1. So only first bit and the second bit, this is LSB and this bit is the MSB. So this 2 to the power 0 bit 1 and 2 to the power 1 bit is 1 and rest all are 0. Suppose if it is a 8, so 2 to the power 3 bit is 1 and rest all are 0. It is a summing of all values of binary. So 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3 as we are increasing 2 to the power 4 to the. So this is the direct representation of decimal to the binary as we are converting decimal to the binary in by using a division method divided by 2 and whatever the remainder will get according to that we convert the binary number as we have seen, but this is the indirect method of conversion. Suppose it is a 10, so 8 plus 2 is 10, rest all bits are 0. Suppose it is a 16, only 2 to the power 8, next bit is 2 to the power 4, means 2 to the power 4 means it is a 16, only fifth bit is 1 and rest all are 0. So as this way it is converting the decimal number into the binary number and the representation of hexadecimal. Now these are the notation. 2 to the power 0 is 1, 2 to the power 1 is 2, 2 to the power 2 is 4, 2 to the power 3 is 8, 2 to the power 4 is 4. N means it is a number of bit. 2 to the power 5 is 32, 2 to the power 6 is 64, 2 to the power 7 is 128, 2 to the power 8 is 256, 2 to the power is 512, 2 to the power 10 is 1024. This is generally called as 2 to the power 10. It is generally called as kilo. And 2 to the power 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 2 to the power 16 is something 64 kilobytes approximately that we are going to see in our microprocessor. 1 megabyte, 2 to the power 20, 2 to the power 30, 1 gigabyte, and 2 to the power 40 is 1 terabyte. This is also used with notation. This is used in also the memory measurement. Now we'll see to data representation. So data representations using side magnitude. Whatever in decimal also we represent the data, that is plus 1 minus 1 plus 2 minus 2 plus 3 minus 3 in this way. So if it is a unsigned, if data is unsigned only 1, so what we represent that So it is a 1 plus 1. But if it is a minus, then we have to mention there the minus sign. That is a minus 1. So data representation has two types, magnitude and complement. In magnitude, there is a unsigned and signed. So now randomly we have seen unsigned data is a positive data. That is not the negative data. But signed data has a positive as well as the has a negative. 5. If it is, we can write plus 5 also. That is means unsigned 5. But if you write minus 5, then we have to write the minus 5. So signed data has positive and negative. Same as 1's complement and 2's complement. This data is also has the positive and negative. So now we'll see the sign data. Sign, which is the magnitude and which is the sign. There is a 4-bit sign magnitude, right? The first bit is defined a sign, right? This is a sign. If it is a sign is 0, fourth bit is 0, that means the data is positive, right? We don't see the magnitude right now, but that is data is what? Positive. If first bit is negative, that means that data is minus data, negative data. And 3 bit, these 3 bits, it's a magnitude. First bit is a sign and 3 bits are the magnitude. This 3 bits is 0 0 means this is 0, 0 0 1 means this is 1, 2 to the power 1, 0 1 0 means. So now the magnitude of this data is plus 7 to minus 7, plus 7 to minus 7. This is a magnitude of data. Now the sign data we can represent minus 1, minus 5. This we can represent. The first bit is 1 and this is the 5, 1 0 1. This is 1 means what? 2 to the power 2, 4 plus 1 is 5. So this is minus 5 and this is a plus 5. This bit is a plus 5. So the sign data is from minus 7 to plus 7. So plus is first bit is 0. That means it's represent the data is positive, or the if it is a first bit is 1, that represent the data is in negative. Now the complements. The complements of binary number. One's complement. Ones complements all your ones to 0 and all your 0 to ones. It changes the ones. Now see here. This is 1 to 0. This is 0 to 1. It is a NOT gate over here. This is 1 to 0, 0 to 1, 1 to 0, 0 to 1, 1 to 0, 0 to 1. Means it is changing your 0, it is changing all ones to 0 and all zeros to 1. That is ones complement. Now the next is there is a twos complement. In the twos complement, first do the ones complement and then it's add 1 at the LSB bit. This last bit is called as least significant bit, that is a LSB. The first bit is called as MSB, that is a most significant bit. Now this is first ones complement. We use the NOT gate. So whatever the data of this 10101010, that is converted into the complement, that is 01010101, and it is carry add 1 add. So what the result will get? It is a 2's complement, that is 1 plus 1 0, 1, 1 plus 0 and 1 1. Again 1 will come, 1 plus 1 and 1 plus 1, that is 1 1 1. 0 plus 0 0, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 0 plus 0, 1 plus 1 and 0 plus 0. It is same. So this is the 2's complement of this data. This value is 2's complement of this value. Now where we are using, we'll see one example. 35 is a decimal number, right? This is our decimal number. That first we need to convert into the hexadecimal number, right? 35 means this is 1, this is 2, and this is 32. 32 plus this is what? 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4, and 2 to the power 5. If it is a 2 to the power 5 means this bit is 32, right? 32 plus 2 is 34, and plus 1 is 35. So this 35 is a decimal number that is converted into the binary number. Either this is the one method, second method is you have to divide it, right? So 35 divided by 2, this is a 17, remainder is 1. 17 divided by 2, it is a 16, remainder will 1. It comes 8. 8 divided by 2, it is 4, no remainder. 4 divided by 2, it is 2, no remainder. 2 divided by 2, it is 1, no remainder. 1 divided by 2, it is 0, but 1 remainder. And we are going to see from the bottom. So our data is 1000011. Now see here, 1000011. This 2 making the data of 4 bit, this 20 will add extra over there, right? So this is a 4 bit and this is a 4 bit. Now this either you can convert into the 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 5, 2 to the power 6, 2 to the power 7 in this way, or we can convert by using this divided method. The first we need to convert this binary decimal data into the binary, and then it is a ones complement means this data is complemented. 110111100 means all zeros are converted into the 1 and all ones are converted into the 0, added 1. So if it is a added 1, 0 plus 1 will see the addition 1, and rest all is as it is. So this is a 2's complement data of 35. So but why we are using a 2's complement data into this, we'll see that afterward. So now this is the one's complement, two's complement, and the sign magnitude. This way the data is represented. Plus sign, plus 7, plus 7 means was all in sine 2's complement, 1's complement, and magnitude. So magnitude, this is plus means it is a 0, and these all three are ones means this is 1, 2, and 4. 4 plus 2 is 6 and plus 1. Now 6 is also the same, plus 6 means it is 0. This is 4 plus 2. So this is a 6. So these all are the sign magnitude plus 7 to till 0, and then it is started from minus 0, and this is minus 1 to minus 7. Now this is the ones complement. All the sign magnitude is converted into the ones. So this is signs ones complement plus magnitude, right? In this we add 1 and it will get the 2's complement number, right? If we add 1, 1, 1, 1. If we add 1's complement 1, we'll get 1, 1, 1. Positive number of 0 to 7, 1's complement and 2's complement are same. So what is the difference in 1's complement and the 2's complement? Only the negative number. So the method of 1's complement and 2's complement is used for the negative numbers, minus number, sign number, minus sign number. Baki rest the positive numbers are there. In, as I say you, in the computers they don't perform the subtraction, they have the indirect method. Suppose you are 5 plus minus 7, your 5 7 minus 5. So what? 7 plus minus of 5 number. So minus of 5 means it is taking over this number, right? So there is no subtraction, there will be a addition, as we will going to see that in the arithmetic. Now we'll see the binary arithmetics. Arithmetics means it is we can do all the kind of arithmetics operation with the binary numbers: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Bits rules are the same, some of the difference are there that we are going to see in this lecture. So binary addition, binary subtraction, binary multiplication, and binary division. So now as our decimal number addition, 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 14 means first we'll do the LSB bit addition. 5 plus 4 is 9 and we'll take 1 as it is 1. Same as here we can see 9 plus 2 it is 11. 1 is here. 1 will be a carry. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 9 is 11. 1 is here, 1 carry, and 1 will copy. The same process will do in the addition. This process we have seen, we have learned from our childhood. So the same process we are going to use in a binary addition. Just the difference rules are there. 1 plus 1, it is not 1. It is 0. 1 will come here, 1. 1 plus 1 is 1 0. What it is? 1 0. So the 0 will be there and that 1 will be a carry. This 1 will be a carry. So this 1 will copied or added into the next bit. 0 plus 1 is 1, same as 1 plus 0 is 1 and 0 plus 0 is 0. There is no difference. Only the difference of this 1 plus 1 is not 1, it is a 1 0. It is not 2, it is a 1 0. And 0 will place and 1 will be a carry. Now the next, if it is a 3 bits, this is one example of this. These are the rule as we have seen in the previous bit. If it is a 3 bits, 1 plus 1 plus 1, what will be the answer? 1 plus 1 is 1 0, right? 1 0. Then in 1 0 there is added 1. So the 1 0 plus 1 means 0 plus 1 is 1 and 1 will come as it is. So what it will be, the 1 will be the place and 1 will be the carry. So this is LSB bit. Answer will be, for this answer will be 1 1. So the LSB bit will be a 1 here, MSB bit will be a carry. Now we'll see for this example. Your data is 0101 plus 0110. Suppose if you are adding 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 1 0. 1 plus 1 is what? 1 0. So the 0 will be here and 1 will be a carry. Now this 1 plus 0 is 1 0 and 1 0 plus 0 is 1 0. So 1 plus 0 is 1 and that 1 plus 0 is 1. So this is your final result. Now we can see one more example also here, how it is overflow carry will generate over here. So our data is 10111. It is added with 10010. Suppose 10 is 1, 1 plus 1, that is 1 0. So 0 1 will carry. 1 plus 1 is 1 0. 1 0 plus 0 is again the result is 1 0. So the 0 will be here, 1 will be carried. 1 plus 0 is 1. That 1 plus 0 is 1. So 1 will as it is, and this is 1 plus 1 is 1 0. So the 0 will be here, 1 will be carry. This is overflow flag. This is called as carry flag. This bit will copied into the carry. So that we are going to see in microprocessor how we will how the bit is copied into that carry flag, right? Now this is the addition. Same we have seen that 3 ones, so result is finally 1 1. Now the subtraction. They have this bit of difference rule, that is 0 minus 0 is 0. There are 4 basic rules for the subtraction binary digit are as follow. 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. There is no issue of that. 1 minus 0 is also no issue. It is 1. But 0 minus 1, it is a 1, and the 1 will be a borrow. If the result is 1 and 0 is 1 with the borrow 1, the result is 1. So now we'll see this example. And this subtraction bit is used if it is a very small data is not too big, so there is use these subtractions. Now suppose this 0101 minus 0110. So what is 1 minus 0? 1. Again 0 minus 1. 1 will come and 1 will borrow here. 1 will borrow here, right? 1 minus 1, it is 0. Again 0 minus 1. So again 1 will here and 1 will borrow here. 1 minus 0 is 1. Again 1 minus 0 is 1. So this is the result of this data. Now, a computer cannot, as I said, your computer cannot subtract a number from any other number. It can only add two numbers. Suppose subtract b from a. So a minus b. How it will represent in a computer? A plus of minus b, as we have seen the 2's complement, sine number, 1's complement. So a plus of minus b. So this is going to perform it. So first we need to convert this b number into the minus b number, and that minus b number is added with the a number. Now suppose this is the first result. Find the result of 101 minus 10, right? This is number is a minus. What we can do it? 101 plus of minus 10, right? Now this minus 10 we need to convert into the 2's complement. Now the number is 010. We have to make the same equivalent bit. So this is 2 bit, this is 3 bit. So added into the 0 into the MSB. Suppose 0 1 2, right? We write in a decimal 2. So 2 equals to, we can write 0 2 also, because 0 doesn't have a value that equally represent. So if we want to equivalence the bit, so we can add 10 into the MSB. Now this is your number 010. It is converted into the ones complement. All 0 is convert into the ones, and all ones is convert into the 0. So the ones complement of 010 is 101. Got it? Now it is added 1. So we'll get the number 2's complement. So 1 plus 1 is 0. 1 means 1 plus 1 is 10 number. So the 0 will be here and 1 will be a carry. So that carry plus 0 is 1, and 1 will represent. So 2's complement of this, the code for minus 010 is plus 110, right? This is the what? Minus 010 is converted into, and this is added with this. So 101, this is your first bit, is added with 110, this. So what is the result? 1101 carry. So this is the subtraction of 101 minus 10. This is the subtractions result. Got it? Now where is the problem of that? If both the number of positive, there is no problem. We can add as simple. If it is a decimal number, that has to convert into the binary and go for the addition method, right? If it is a positive number is greater than the negative number, again what we do? The positive number converted into the decimal number, a binary number. This is the 15 is the decimal number that convert into the binary number. The 6 is convert into the 2's complement number. Second, and added with that, the result will be a positive, right? 16 minus 9, result minus 6, the result will be a 9, right? If it is negative number is greater than positive, This is the case is very important. The first 16 is converted into the binary, right? As it is 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, and 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power 4 means 16, so only one bit is 1 and rest all are 0. Same as 24 minus 24. The first 24 is converted into the decimal. Then that 24 is converted into the 2's complement number. First convert into the 1's complement, it is added 1. So this number will get the 2's complement of 24, and that is represent the minus 24. And this minus 24 is added with 16. So what result will get? Minus 8. So this result is also into the 2's complement. So this is minus 8 is 2's complement of minus 8. If we are converting into the simple way of number, so what we will get the result of this? 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 for this number. So that is the 8. So minus 8, if the result is minus, that means this result is in a 2's complement. So sign bit is a negative. So so negative number in the 2's complement form. So this is the 8. 8 is into the 2's complement form. Same as minus 5 and minus 9. What we will do? The minus 5 is first 5 is converted into the 2's complement, right? That is minus 5. 9 is also converted into the 2's complement, that is minus 9. So 2's complement of 5 is added with 2's complement of 9. What we will get the result? Again we'll get the result is 2's complement of 14. That result is minus result. So this is the way there is no subtraction in the computer system. This negative number is converted into the 2's complement, and that is added with the positive number. Same as 8 minus 3. So 8 is convert. Minus 3 again it is converted into the 2's complement. 12 is converted into the binary. 9 is minus. Again it is converted. Same 120. First it is converted into the binary. That is 2's complement. And then minus 30. There is subtraction. So for small bits we can use the subtractions number. Multiplications. The third steps of the arithmetic is a multiplication. So 13 into 11. How we will do? We have learned this into the childhood. So 1 is multiplying into this. So 1 into 3 is 3. 1 into 1 is 1. Then we'll go, we left one LSB bit. Again this one will multiplied by 3 and one will multiplied by 1. So 13. And then we'll add. So 3 plus 4 and 143. So this is a process to do the multiplication. So same process is used in a multiplications in binary system. So 0 into 0 obviously 0. If any one bit is 0, your result will be a 0. If your result is 1, means all the bits has to be a 1. Both the bits has to be a 1. Simple rules are there for multiplication. We'll see the example of 101 into 111. First we'll do the multiplication of this red 1 1. So 1 into 1, 1 into 0, 1 into 1. So what will get the number? 101. Second will multiplied, will leave one bit, LSB bit. And second, this gray color or 1 will multiplied by this 101. So what will get? 101. Third, again purple color will left 2 bits LSB, and this purple color one will multiplied by 101. So what will get? 101. And we'll add all these 3 bits. So this is the result of multiplication of this 101 into 111. The same process as we are using in a binary. In a division method, that is also the same process. 0 divided by 0, 1 divided by 0 is 0, 0 divided by 1 is 1, and 1 divided by 1 is 1. Right? Suppose this is your number. Divide 101 by 10. So 10, first we'll see this 1 is less than 10. So now 1 will take two bits, right? So now 1 is greater than 10, so 1 will 10. What will come here? 1 minus 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. So what is will get the bit is 10. So the again will divide 10 into 1. So what will get the 10 answer, and it is a 00. If we divide 110 by 10, our quotients will be a 1 1. There is no remainder. It's same as. Now we'll see first the decimal way. Suppose 8 is divided by 128. What will we see? First we'll think about this one. 1 is less than 8. So we'll minus 0 and we'll put here into the 0. Right? So 1 minus 0 is 1. We'll take next bit. It is a 12. Then we can see the 12 is greater than 8. So we'll divide it by 12. So our dividend will divided by this 12 divisor. So 8 into 1, 8. So 12 minus 8 is 4. And we'll take the third bit 14. Again this 14 is greater than 8. So we'll divide it 8 by 14. 8 6 are 48. So 48 minus. The same process here in the, if the number is the bigger, so same process will take here. Suppose your number is 101010 is divided by 110. Now this is the whole number 110. First we'll take 1. Obviously this number is greater than this, so we cannot do the division with the 1. So 0 minus 1 minus 0 is 1. We'll take the next number. Again 10 is greater less than 110. So again we'll minus 0 and the number will be 10, and we'll take the third bit 101. Again this 101 is less than 110. So we'll minus 0 and we'll do here the 1010 will take the next bit is 0. Now this bit 1010 is greater than 110. So we'll divide it by 1. So what it will come 110. So suppose 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1 and 1 borrow. So this 1 minus 1 will be a cancel. What will get 0 1 0. Now again we'll take the next bit is 1 here. So again this is greater than this. So again we'll divide it by 1. So again we'll minus what we will get here 0 0 1 1. Right? Now this is 1 1 is less than this. We'll take the next bit. So 110 is greater than and equal to. So it is into 1. So what we will get 110, or reminder will be a 0, or questions will be a. We left or the MSB 0. So what is our result is 111. We can say if our if a number is 101010 divided by 110, our result will be a 1 1. Right? The same process we follow in a decimal, the same process we can do it into the binary also. Now these are the summaries of rules of addition, subtraction, multiplications, how they are the rule as we have seen there. Now the next part is the binary codes. Why we are using the codes into the binary number? This is for the security purpose. It is used for the telecommunication transmission. It is secured communication. So where they use this the coding methods. So we have a BCD code. BCD, binary code decimal. That is 8421. BCD code 24121. Access 3 code means BCD plus 3. BCD 84 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1, gray code, and ASCII code, American Standard Code for Information Interchange Code. Why? Why these are the ASCII codes over there? Because this is worldwide. It has to be a same coding. If my code is digitally represent capital A in India, it's the same code it has to be represent in other country. So it has a mutual understanding. That's why this ASCII code is used for the globalized coding. Now, this is a binary code by BCD code. So BCD number is just 0 to 9 as a decimal number, that is called binary code number. A binary with k decimal digit will require 4k bits in BCD, right? This is the decimal symbol and this is a BCD digit. So same as 0 to 9, 1001. Six number is 0110. This is a BCD number. After 10, it is not 10, 11, 12 BCD number, or it is not A, B, C, D in a hexadecimal number. So decimal 396 is represented in BCD, it will be a 12 bit, right? 396 of decimal. If we are converting into the binary, we need to divide it by 2 and do all process. But if it is converted into the decimal number, so this individual 3, individual 9, individual 6 is converted into the by BCD number. So that is 3 is 001, 9 is 1001, and 6 is 0110. So MSB 0 will left, only this 12 bit is 396 of BCD number. A decimal number in BCD is the same as its equivalent binary number only when the number is in between 0 to 9. If it is a 0 to 9, if it is a more than that, then decimal number converted into the binary need to divided by 2 and do all the process, but BCD number will convert as it is same. So the binary combination of 101 means after 10, after A, 2 till FFF, it is not used in a BCD number. We have a BCD addition and all this. Now, this is one example. Consider the decimal. This is a decimal number 185. It is not the binary number or BCD number. It is a decimal number. How we can convert into the BCD and the binary number? Suppose if it is a A185. So now 1 is what in BCD number? 0001. Right? This is 2 to the power 0 means 1. 8 is what? 2 to the power 4, 000. And 5 is what? 2 to the power 2 and 2 to the power 05. So this is 1, this is 8, this is 5, right? This is a BCD, right? But we cannot convert in this way into the binary. In a binary, we need to go the division method in this way. 185 divided by 2, it is 19, then 1. 92 is divided by 2, 46, it is remainder is 0. 46 divided by 2, 23, remainder is 0. 23 divided by 2, 11, remainder is 1, and go on process. And this 185 is the binary number is 10111001. So this is a binary number 10111001. This is not equivalent to this. BCD number is not equivalent to binary. Both has a different way. So 185 convert into the binary number, we need to go for the division method. But 185 convert into the binary number, each digit is represent the binary number. We'll see the addition of BCD also. Suppose 4 plus 5. So 4 will as it is, 5 will as it is. 8 plus 4. 4 will as it is, 12 will as it is. If it is a greater than, if the carry is generated in this addition, or this addition is greater than 9, so it adds the 6. So this is a BCD, 1 and 2, 12, right? If this 4, 0 1 0 0, 8 1 0 0 0. Now 12 is answer, 4 plus 8 is 12, but your addition is 110. 110 doesn't represent into the BCD. So now what is the rule? If the addition of BCD number in the result, if your result is greater than 9, or if it is a generated carry, so it adds 6. So it is added 6, 0 1 1. So 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 plus 1 0 1 carry, 1 plus 1 0 1 carry. So this is what 1. This is carry is denoted as a 1, and 0 0 1 0 is a 2. So what is the result is 12. We'll see the next example also. Suppose this is 8 plus 9 is a 17. This is 8 and this is 9. So 1 0 0 1 0 and 1. Now this is 1 only, right? But it is a carry is generated over here. So it adds the 3. It adds the 3. So what is your here? 1 0 1 1 0, right? Now see one more example. Suppose you are considering the addition of 184, means 184 plus 576 BCD number. Your result will be a 760, right? 6 plus 4 plus 6 is 0, 1 will carry. 10, 0, 1 will carry. 8 plus 7 is 15 and 1 carry, 1 is 16, 6 is here, 1 will carry. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 5 is 7, 767. As we see, your 1, 184, 0 0 0 1, this is 1, 8, 1 0 0, 4, 0 1 0 0, right? You are adding 5 7 6. This is your 5, this is 7 and this is 6. So addition of this is 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 and 1. 0 1 0 1 is 0, 1 carry here. 1 plus 1 is 0, 1 will carry. 1 plus 1 is 0, 1 will carry. 1 plus 1 is 0, 1 will carry. 1 plus 1 is 0, 1 will carry, right? Here is also carry. This carries comes over here. 1 plus 1 is 1 0. 1 0 plus 1 is 1 1. 1 will here, 1 will come. 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1 and 0. Now see the result. This is what 0 1 1 1. This is 7, right? Good. Here 0 0 0. It is a 0. It is a less than 9, but it has generated the carry. So what we will add in this bit, we will add 0 1 1 0. Now here a result is 1010. It is a greater than 9 as well as it generates the carry. Again we will add 1006 here, right? So now if it adding 0 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 0 1, 1 will carry. 1 plus 0 is 1 plus 1, it is 0, 1 will carry. 1 plus 0 is 0, 1 will carry. 1 plus 0, it is 0, 1 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 0 and 0 plus 0 is answer. Now these number is 7 6 0 is converted. Suppose this is the addition, but if you want to do the subtraction of the decimal number, BCD number, so 7376 is subtracted minus 240. The same as 240, this converted into the minus 240. How? We will do here the tens complement, right? In the binary, we'll do the twos complement. Now here the tens complement. How we will do it? We'll do it this number is subtract from the 999, 999, right? That is a nines complement. So suppose if you are subtracting 999 minus 240, what we will get? 999. So we'll get 759 and add 1 to make the tens complement. So what we will get? 760. So this is a tens complement of 240, right? So directly we can minus the subtract from the 1000. That comes the tens complement. So now if we add this number, 5, 7 plus 6 is 13, 3, then 1 carry, so 10, 11, 1 is 1 will carry, so 135 is a positive answer. So using minus of BCD number, if it is there is a subtraction process, so do the minus number into the tens complement and add into the first number. Now this is the BCD number. Again, as I told you, this is same as binary. 2 to the power 0 means 1, 2 to the power 2 means 2, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 0 means 1, 2 to the power 1 means 2, 2 to the power 2 is 4, 2 to the power 3 is 8. And same as it represented the binary number. These numbers are not in use. After 10, it is doesn't use into the BCD. Suppose here 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, and again 2 to the power 0. This is the code is 2421. Suppose this number is 2. Suppose 4 number, 5 number, right? 5 if you are taking here 4 plus 1, right? 5. Here 2 plus 2 is and plus 1. This is a 5. 6 number. 4 plus 2 is 6. Now here 4 plus 2 is 6. That's the difference between BCD 8421, 2421 and 84 minus 2 minus 1. Now this is a very beautiful example. Suppose 1. How we will write 1? 4 minus 2 minus 1. 4 minus 2 minus 1 is plus 1. So all these three are the ones 1. Suppose 2. So 4 minus 2 is 2. The 4 is also 1 minus 2 is also 1. So this is the BCD number of 8, 4 minus 2 minus 1. Take the 9. 9 is what? 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 minus 2 is 10 and 10 minus 1 is 9. So all three bits are 1, 1, 1. So these are the 8421, 2421 different coding system. 84 minus 2 minus 1. Access 3. Access 3 means BCD minus 3. So 0 of BCD, it is access 3. 0 of access 3 number is start of BCD 3 number, right? So then 1 of BCD is 4, 1 of access 3 number is 4 of BCD. So this 3 number is access, first 3, 0, 1, 2 is access. It is access 3 number is start from 3 of BCD to 12 of BCD. So this is 110 is 12. So it is 9 number is represent into the access 3, means first 3 bit is omitted and access 3 is number systems 0 is start from the third bit of binary, third number of BCD number, right? That is the access 3 number. Now the next, great. The advantage is that only bit in the code group changes is going from the one number to the next. This bit is changing to the next. It is used for the error detection, representation of analog data, and the low power designing. Right? You will see. This is a decimal number as we have seen many times. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It is same representation of decimal number 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. It is a 3, 4, 0, 1, 1, 0, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is decimal number into the binary. For 15, we convert 111, right? This is 110, 14. 13 is 110. Now in a gray number, the first bit is copied as it is, right? First bit. Then the first bit is added with second bit, the result is second bit. Then the second bit is added with third bit, the result is third bit. And then the third bit is added with fourth bit, the result is fourth bit. Now we'll see one example of this, right? The first bit is copied as it is, right? Now the first bit is added with the second bit, so we'll get the gray number of second bit. So 0 plus 0 is 0, second bit. 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 of third bit, right? 1 plus 1 is 1, 0, means 0 will represent and 1 will be carried. So 0. So this is the binary bit into the gray bit. Now we'll take one more example. This is 5 number, right? The first bit is copied as it is, right? The first bit of binary is added with the second bit of binary, that is 0 plus 1 is 1. It is a gray bit we'll get. 1 plus 0 is again 1. So second bit, third bit will get. And the 0 plus 1 is 0 plus 1. It is 1. We'll get into the third bit also. We'll take one more example. This is 1001, 11, right? 1, 0, 1, 1. So first bit is copied as it is, right? So 1 plus 0 is 1. So second bit will get. Now 0 plus 1 is again 1, we'll get third bit. And 1 plus 1 is 1, 0. So we'll represent only the 0. So this is a binary number. This is a 11 is a decimal number that is converted into the binary, that is 2 to the power 3 means 8. 2 to the power 1 means 2, and 2 to the power 2 means 1. So 8 plus 2 is 10 and plus 1. This is the 11 of a binary that is converted into the gray, that is 110, 1110. So this 11 is a decimal number that is converted into the binary, that 1011, and that converted into the gray, that is 1110, by the process of the first bit is copied as it is, first bit is adding with the second bit, so we'll get the gray of second bit is adding with third bit, so we'll get the bit of third bit, and third bit is adding with the fourth bit, we'll get the fourth bit of the gray number. Now ASCII code, as I explained you, ASCII has interesting property. That's the digit 0 to 9. It's a hexadecimal value is 30 to 39, right? 30 hex, right? This is a hexadecimal value. It is ASCII codes, all the ASCII codes value is in a hexadecimal, that is directly converted into the binary. No need to do the conversion, not into the decimal number, right? So this is 30 to uppercase A to Z. It is the 41 to 5A. 41 to 5. Lowercase small a to z, 61 to 7A. All hexadecimal value, all numbers, all capital alphabets, capital A to Z, capital small a to Z, all special character has a hexadecimal value that standardized, right? That we are going to see in this table. So this is a bit of higher bit B7, B6, B5, and these are the bit of B4. This is a hexadecimal table to convert into B4, B3, B2, B1, right? Suppose if you want the A number, we know that it is a 41 hexadecimal A number, right? So 100, what is here? 0001. What will be the value of hexadecimal value? Means that is converted into the binary directly. 1000001. It is a 41 hexadecimal. Small value, that is 1000001. That is a 61 hexadecimal value of 61. So it is converted. This is the ASCII table of, this is the American Standard Code for Information Interchanging. ASCII's code of digital system, which is going to use all numbers 0 to 9, capital A to Z, small a to Z, all special characters and the symbols are there given the ASCII codes. Right? So now I have referred this book, and I recommended you to refer this book, Digital Electronics by A.P. Godse and Dr. D.A. Godse, and Digital Electronics by A. Anand Kumar. And if you have any query, so we can solve the queries. Thank you for patiently listening to me, and we'll conduct the another lectures, next lecture on Monday also. Any questions, girls?